Hi, I'm Reagan here at Autogeek Studio, and today we're going to go over the basics of getting streak-free glass on your car. The necessities that you'll need to start is a glass cleaner of your choice, whatever fits the best of your needs. And then you'll also need 2 towels. Preferably, I like to use the waffle weave towels because it has the grooves in it. So as you're cleaning, it'll catch all the dirt and grime inside the grooves instead of being on like a normal microfiber towel, glass towel that's slick and wiping all the dirt and grime back on your windows. To start, you're going to take your glass cleaner that you have chosen. You're going to spray an excess amount. It doesn't matter how much you spray on there. The more you spray, the better the grime's going to come off. You're going to take one of your towels and you're going to do a crosshatch. So on the outside, we're going to go horizontal. On the inside, we're going to go vertical. Timeout. Which way, sir? Horizontals, sideways. Okay, I got them mixed up. So to start, you're gonna go horizontal, side to side. Wipe around the edges. And then as you can see, you get all the dirt and grime. You take your little second rag and you're gonna wipe off any of the excess. Now the reason we do crosshatch is so if you do horizontal on the outside, vertical on the inside, and if you step back and look at it at a distance and you see you have a streak going sideways, then you know which side of the glass you missed wiping on. So then we're gonna go to the inside, same thing. Flip your towel to the clean side. Up and down in your vertical. And take your second towel again, wipe away any of the excess. And there, you have streak-free glass. And another little pro tip that you can always do, you could take a glass cleaner and one of your little towels, crack your window down like this, because when it's rolled up, you still have this little bit of film right here from it being all the way up where it's still dirty right here. So if you take some of your glass cleaner, spray it on your towel, a little wipe on the outside, wipe on the inside, take your drywood, wipe it away, and like that, whole window. To wrap up today's streak-free glass demo, we also offer a different variety of glass cleaners that you can find on Autogeek.com. I prefer, like I said, to use a waffle weave towel because it collects the dirt and grime inside the little grooves, but any glass towel will work for your needs to clean glass. It's just off of preference, and that would be mine. Again, my name is Reagan here at Autogeek Studios, and I will see you guys again next time. Thank you.